Hair loss is a common problem that affects millions of people. In fact, according to the American Hair Loss Association, male pattern baldness accounts for more than 95% of men's hair loss, affecting 2/3 of American men at the age of 35. Women also experience hair loss, and the researchers found that less than 45% of women spend their lives with hair. Hair loss can be caused by many things, including excessive physical and/or emotional stress, hormonal imbalance, nutritional deficiency, contamination, allergies, the use of hair care products and genetics. Leaving statistics and logistics aside, hair is an important asset to have. It serves as a source of thermal insulation when in cold environments, and it also helps to cool the body when sweat evaporates from the hair. Hair also protects our heads from the sun's ultraviolet rays. In addition to this, hair is something that we can use to express ourselves. We can curl, braid, color, design and cut as we wish as an external expression of our inner being. And when he is gone, he often brings with him a sense of self and self-esteem. This phenomenon has been scientifically proven, since hair is actually an extension of the nervous system. It goes without saying that hair plays an important role in the way we see, feel and also our general health. This is why we brought you 4 proven home remedies to thicken your mane. 1. Eggs. Your hair needs protein because it is an essential component of all cells in the body. Eggs contain a lot of protein. In fact, a large egg contains 6 grams of protein. Eggs also contain omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, vitamins A and C, which strengthen hair follicles. That's why several hair professionals recommend an egg treatment 1 to 2 times a week. To do this, beat 1 to 2 eggs and apply them to wet hair. Let stand for 30 minutes before washing with warm water. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil has long been used for hair care. In fact, the researchers found that it had many ancient uses, including curing diseases, and making the skin and hair look healthier. These historical figures may have been based on something, since the primary chemical elements contained in olive oil are oleic acid, palmitic acid and squalene, which are emollients that soften things. While research on the exact effectiveness of olive oil is sparse, some research on coconut oil shows that oils like these can have positive moisturizing effects on hair. This is probably the reason why there are many hair care products on the market that contain olive oil and other similar oils. To use, simply massage your hair and scalp with warm olive oil and let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes. Then wash with a mild shampoo to remove residual fat. You can also use it overnight and wash it with shampoo the next morning. 3. Avocado. Like eggs, avocados contain vitamins C, E, K and B6, proteins and omega-3 fatty acids. It is also a wonderful vegan alternative to eggs. The fat inside the avocado also serves as a fatty substance that can restore lost oils while strengthening the hair. An excellent recipe for an avocado treatment is to mix an avocado, a banana and a spoonful of olive oil. Massage the combination on the scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes, rinse with a mild shampoo and perform this treatment once a week. 4. Castor oil. Castor oil comes from the castor plant. It actually comes from the seeds, beans produced by the plant. The seed, and therefore the oil, is rich in ricinoleic acid. This is a type of fatty acid that reduces inflammation. It is this benefit of the oil which, when applied to the scalp, improves the health of the hair follicles, promotes hair growth and protects against hair loss. Some additional benefits are the properties of the oil which soften the hair and give it a healthy shine. To use it, simply massage the scalp in circular motions, then pass it through the hair and then cover it with a towel for 30 minutes. Rinse with a mild shampoo and repeat once a week. There you have it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive updates on upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.